Hi guys, so today we're gonna prepare this delicious vegetable. So if you're a vegetarian, this is good for you. And if you are not a vegetarian, no meat, no chicken, you will still love it. So just stick around if you want to know to prepare it and keep watching. So let's check our ingredients. Those are carrots, spring onions, tomatoes, cabbage. Okay guys, I realize I don't have all the ingredients here, but as you keep watching, you will see what I will add. Okay, so now first and foremost, we're gonna chop the vegetable, which is the cabbage that we have here. And I don't know how you guys normally cut your cabbages into small pieces. Like right now, my daughter is the one that is helping me to cut these cabbages into small pieces. So I know most of us are using knife, and as for me, if I want that the thin, let me say the small, okay, the little ones, so I normally use this grater that is made for cabbages. Actually, it is a nice one. This is what I found, and it is a nice one. So here we are cutting cabbages into small pieces, and always remember, before you cut your cabbages, always wash them first. And the reason of washing them first, actually, it is not to lose the vitamins when washing them and when cutting them and then washing them. And another thing, for when you are cooking your vegetables, they will not add lots of water in your pot. So that is the main reason why you should always wash your vegetables first before you cut them. So guys, continue enjoying the video. Hey guys, everything now is ready. As you can see, we have tomatoes that is well being chopped, and we have coriander, and then we have that is filfil barret, and then we have grated carrots, and we have our spring onion, and as you can see, and cabbages. Okay, so I did not cut all cabbage. I used only half of it, and that even half of it, it was chopped not all of it. We left quarter. Okay, yes. So now, as you can see, almost our ingredients are ready. So what we'll do is to add everything all together in your mixing pot. Okay, whatever you have, a basin or a bowl, a pan, whatever, whereby you'll mix all your vegetables together. So you have to mix them all together. You put them together, you mix them before you start cooking. And that is what I'm doing, guys. As you can see now, the vegetable is just looking delicious. It is just looking like it is almost ready. Okay, yeah, it has beautiful nice color, right? So guys, as you can see, I'm the one mixing it, so you should mix your vegetable well. Just continue mixing, and then when it is ready, now it is now time to put your pan on your stove and then start cooking. Now on your stove, you'll need a pan, anything that you'll use to cook. Now make sure it is clean. So you have a pot, And then after having a pot, now you will add your onions, add your, like me, I love like a lot of onions, guys. If you realize, like everything that I've been showing you guys, it has like lots of onion. So you see, now this is red onion, and then you will add little amount of oil that you use, your favorite. So enough oil for you guys. So some people I know they use very little oil, some use more oil. Now it depends with you. So after adding your oil, now you let the onion to cook until it turns, okay, to be golden, the color that you love. Don't let them to be black, but the color that you love. Some love it when it is white, but as for me, I love it when it is golden brown, because at that moment, or at that point actually, guys, it smells like very good, so nice. And then I will add my vegetables. So just keep on watching as you see what is next. You see, now it is actually now golden brown. Now this is the moment that we were waiting for. Now, what are we going to add now first? Now, what we are going to add now is our tomatoes. Now you will add your tomatoes, and again, let your tomatoes cook, like let them cook like soft, let them to loosen, like let them to be very soft, so that when you add your vegetables, it will just like, okay, just keep on watching. Hey guys, now as you can see, it is now we are almost there, guys. Just keep on watching and see, we are almost there, and then we will add our vegetables. I hope you are following very well, closely, and I know you're loving it, right? So there we are adding now our vegetables, and after adding all vegetables, now make sure you mix it well. Yes, so that it will mix with the tomatoes, or the paste, or the tomatoes that you have already cooked. Okay, so we'll mix, and then yeah, so just keep on watching. And I remembered, guys, something about the vegetables, or the cabbage, guys. You know what, me, I just love cabbages. I do love cabbages, no matter what, either raw or cooked. And I can say this is the vegetable that I always eat without any complications. Like, guys, I have ulcers, so without getting like these stomach upsets, the stomach aches, or it's not comfortable with my stomach. I love cabbages, and this is the vegetable that I will always go for if they are not the zile managu sometimes, or kunde. So this is my favorite. And you know what, guys, I want to let me know in the comment section below if you are a Kenyan. Kuna mtu aliniambia like, wewe unapenda kukula cabbage sana, either mbichi ama imepikwa, ati utakuwa majimaji. Guys, if you are a Kenyan, you know what I'm talking about. Ebu, let me know it in the comment down below. Just let me know in the comment below, okay? So guys, as you can see, I added, after mixing the vegetable, there are some ingredients that I added later, right? So let me let you know what I added. So that was Royco, and last was salt. And now that's it. As you can see, it's really looking delicious, right? Yes, now you can enjoy this with ugali, you can enjoy it with chapati or rice. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.